Welcome to Business Concepts TV. Have you ever wondered who hires employees, develops workplace policies, manages benefits, or helps resolve workplace conflicts? The answer is human resource management, often called HR. In this video, you'll learn what human resource management is, why it's important, and the major responsibilities of today's HR professionals. Let's get started. Human resource management is the process of attracting, hiring, training, compensating, developing, and retaining employees, while ensuring organizations follow employment laws and workplace policies. Many people think HR simply handles payroll or paperwork. In reality, HR plays a strategic role that directly contributes to an organization's success. Every business depends on people. Companies may own buildings, equipment, technology, and financial resources, but none of those create value without employees. People solve problems. They serve customers. They innovate. They improve products and services. That's why employees are often considered an organization's most valuable resource. The first responsibility of human resource management is staffing. HR determines how many employees the organization needs, recruits qualified applicants, interviews candidates, and hires the right people for each position. Hiring the right employees helps organizations build strong, productive teams. HR recruits qualified applicants, conducts interviews, and ultimately hires the right people for each role, building strong, productive teams. HR also develops workplace policies. These policies help create fairness, consistency, and clear expectations for everyone in the organization. Policies cover topics like attendance, ethics, internet use, vacation time, and workplace behavior. Another important responsibility is compensation and benefits. HR designs competitive pay systems and manages benefits such as health insurance, retirement plans, paid leave, bonuses, and tuition assistance. Competitive compensation helps attract and retain talented employees. When employees feel fairly compensated and supported through strong benefits, they're more likely to stay and contribute at their best. Hiring great employees is only the beginning. Organizations also want to keep them. HR develops programs that improve motivation, job satisfaction, employee engagement, and career development, reducing turnover and strengthening the organization. When employees feel valued, motivated, and supported in their growth, they stay, and organizations thrive because of it. Employees need continuous learning to stay successful. HR organizes training programs that teach new skills, improve communication, strengthen leadership abilities, and prepare employees for future opportunities. Training helps both employees and organizations grow. From onboarding new hires to developing future leaders, HR-led training programs ensure employees are always growing and ready for what's next. HR also ensures organizations comply with employment laws. These laws protect employees and help organizations avoid costly legal problems. HR professionals stay informed about changing regulations and communicate important updates throughout the organization. Staying on top of employment laws isn't optional, it's essential. HR keeps the entire organization protected and informed. Creating a safe workplace is another key HR responsibility. HR helps protect employees by promoting workplace safety, safeguarding personal information, and ensuring compliance with health and safety regulations. Whether it's physical safety on the job or protecting an employee's personal data, HR is always working to keep people safe. Today's HR professionals face new challenges every day. Remote work, artificial intelligence, changing workforce expectations, workplace diversity, and rapidly evolving technology all require HR to adapt. Modern HR isn't simply administrative. It's a strategic partner that helps organizations prepare for the future. Human resource management is about much more than hiring people. It's about developing employees, creating positive workplaces, protecting workers, and helping organizations achieve their goals. In upcoming videos, we'll explore recruitment, employee selection, compensation, training, motivation, performance management, workplace diversity, and much more. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another business concept made simple. Thanks for watching Business Concepts TV.